حطي تليفوني تحت عشان اتكلم معاك. ماشي. يلا مع السلامة. باي باي. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Good. Okay. As it's very necessary to know that as you will join, all of you will open the mics. Fine? Okay. Can you hear me, everyone? Okay.
Yes, miss, we can hear you.
Yes, miss.
Lujain,
Yes, miss.
Marwan,
Yes, miss.
Princess Rafat.
Yes, miss.
Okay. And the last one is William Nasr. You don't have a mic. Please make sure that the next time when we want to join the course, you need to bring your mic. Okay? Okay. Let me open the camera. How are you? Here's Miss Nourhan Essam. I will be your physics teacher, inshallah, for this course. Later on, we need to make sure, like as we did right now, we need to make sure that the mic is working correctly and the camera will be open, inshallah. So for the whole girls who wear hijab, you need to make sure to wear your hijab before we will start. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes, Miss.
You can see
Teacher
me.
will open it now?
No, you don't have to open it right now, as I will close it right now for this session, and then I am starting from the next session, inshallah, yani on the next Wednesday. Sorry, in the next Thursday. I'm sorry. We will open the camera. All of us will open the camera to make sure that we see each other's. The eye contact is very important in each subject, yani, including طبعا physics. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have got any
Okay,
questions
teacher.
before I will
Okay.
start?
No, Miss.
Okay, thank you. I will
No,
close the
Miss.
camera right now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let we start and talk a little bit about physics. Okay, here we have got uh, the subject. I know that the subject have got a bad feedback for all of you. كلنا أو بنسمع يعني كلنا Arabic speakers صح؟ ولا في حد معانا native speaker؟
What, Miss?
كلنا Arabic speakers يعني we are all of us we are Arabs, right?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes, teacher.
I need to ask this question before I start to make sure that if I will speak in Arabic in some statements that you all of you will understand what I said. Okay? Okay. طبعا كتير قوي منكم كستودنت اول حاجه يا عيني بتيجي في باله عن الفيزيكس like it is a nightmare and it's a very 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 hard subject. I don't know how to solve it. I don't know how to deal with it. خلينا يعني let we talk a little bit يعني شوية بالراحة وكمان بصراحة يعني. اوكي، الفيزيكس هي عبارة عن you will understand some rules and then we will apply on these rules. اوكي، لو انت عملت كده you will ان شاء الله you will get a high mark ان شاء الله. اوكي، فاحنا طبعا في الاول خالص we will understand، ومش بس كده حضرتك you have to understand لحد لما تقتنع. بمعنى يعني الحاجه دي لو مش مقنعه بالنسبه لك you need to ask me more than one time until all of you understand and got the point. Understood? So
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
rule
teacher.
number one. Yes, rule number one. You need to ask me if you have got any problem or if you don't understand anything I said. Okay? As physics is building up. Okay? يعني if I have got a chapter one, you need to understand this chapter before going to the next chapter and so on. Okay? لأن حضرتك once إن أنا خلاص شرحت وعملت applying, you will have got a homework. And then I will fix a date to send your homework. It will be your deadline. Okay? And we will correct the homework. لو لقيت بقى حد وانا بعمل correction لقيته مش حالل كتير عشان هو استهتر بالحل او عشان كذا انا بزعل. فاحنا لازم نحل كتير قوي 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 عشان خاطر نجات الايديا ونعدي على equations questions كتيره عشان نعرف نوصل لطريقه الحل الصح. ديل؟ طب how many paper we have got here in your
Deal,
exam.
Miss.
excellent perfect. ايوه كده، ايوه انا بحب المصحصحين معايا. الاكزام papers اللي عندك I have got 3 papers. Okay, paper 1 and paper 2 paper 3 and paper 4. Sorry, paper 6 في ايه مالي. اوكي. paper 1 paper 3 and paper 6. paper 2 and paper 4 and paper 6 دولت for the O level. خلاص دولت اللي هم الاكبر شويه منكم اللي هم جريد 10. اوكي طيب ايه هي paper 1؟ paper 1 it's a multiple choices. It's around 40 questions. ال 40 questions دولت you need to answer them in 45 minutes. Okay? How about paper 3? paper 3 it's a structural questions. يعني الأسئلة اللي كنت بتاخدها قبل كده زمان في paper 1 و paper 2 في year 8 و year 7 اللي هي بتحتاج منك تكتب rules, measuring units, steps. This is paper 3. All of us know what I meant?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
Yes. The different paper, it's this one. It's called alternative to practical. اوكي يعني ايه؟ البيبر دي ليها سكيلز معينه. ان شاء الله ان شاء الله through the year هنتعلم السكيلز بتاعتها. يعني if I need to answer this paper you don't have to revise on the topics. مش لازم اعمل revision. لا دولت دي ودي you need to revise on the topics. لازم تبقى عارف المنهج ومذاكر كويس وعارف الرولز وكل الحاجات الحلوه دي. اوكي لكن for this paper no need to revise on the topic. لا مش محتاج ان انا اعمل revision لكن محتاج ان انا اعرف its own skills وان شاء الله ان شاء الله we will talk about it later on. والpaper دي it's a common paper between you and grade 10. It's a common paper. So grade 10 took the same question. By the way على فكرة وبالصدفة النهاردة كان امتحان paper 6 لجريد 10 سوري لجريد 11 اللي هم في اكتوبر نوفمبر والحمد لله الامتحان جه حلو جدا يعني. Anyway. يعني ايه alternatives to practical؟ يعني انت بيبقى عندك around من 4 ل 5 questions. خلاص كأنك بالظبط شغال في لاب. هيديك tools وهيديك numbers و readings. You need to figure out what will happen in this experiment like a kind of investigation as you took it before in year 8 and 7 and year 6. If there is anything,
Not
is
at all,
anyone
Miss, till
need a
now.
question?
Miss.
If there is anyone need a question right in this topics?
No, teacher, thank you.
Thank you so
No,
much,
Miss, thank you.
sweetheart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have got, before I start, a very important rule. Please don't write after me. اوعى تعمل كده. Unless if I asked you to do that. يعني مثلا لو طلبت منك ان انت تحل حاجه في الاكزام ده او كذا اوكي you may answer by using your paper. بس طول ما انا شغاله you don't have to write after me. ليه؟ لان البروجرام اللي انا شغاله بيه ده I will upload it like a PDF file on your Google Classroom ان شاء الله. As I will send the material in the Google Classroom including this sheet that I'm writing in it right now. الشخبطه اللي هرسمها هنا دي ما تقلقش هرفعها على جوجل كلاس روم هتلاقيها عندك مترتبه بنمبر السيشنز بالشرح اللي كان فيها فنو نيد اصلا ان انت تكتب ورايا. اتفقنا؟ عايزاك
Okay, Miss.
مركز بس.
Okay, Miss,
Okay,
okay.
Miss.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
teacher.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay? Okay. Let's we go back to our topics. Okay?
Okay.
Physics have got
Okay.
two codes, 0625 and 0972. Before I will start, you need to know what is this numbers related to. In numbers D. In numbers D like your ID number. Is that available to see two persons having the same ID? No.
No, Miss.
The ID number is a unique number. This is the same idea. Cambridge gives for the IGCSE physics a code of 0625 or 0972. Okay? If you need to go to research on it for an exam, as طبعا all of us know that the exams are free sources on the internet. You can make sure to see this later on. You may use this code. Okay, you will find the exam paper of physics.
Okay, Miss.
طب ليه عملوا لها رقمين؟ ده according to the correction. ده الناس اللي بتعلم بده الكوركشن بتاعها related to اللي هو ال 0625 related to something called ال grading system. يعني ايه
Miss,
grading؟ Yes.
I just want to ask a question and we're like
Go
about
ahead.
the lesson.
Go ahead.
Will you record the session so you
Yes, the
can
session
send
is
it to us?
yes. The sessions will be recorded inshallah, and I will send it. I will upload it on the Google Classroom طبعا later on for the persons that will book the course. And this session is recorded. Yes, and actually the RT staff uploaded this session on the YouTube channel of InnovaPuff. And
Okay,
then I will
Miss.
send the link. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. Okay. So this one is for grading system. يعني ايه grading system؟ يعني مثلا بتلاقي ان فلان ده واخد A star في السبجكت A B and so on. طب ده numerical from 9 to 1 as كم حد من هنا كان XIG؟ يعني كان عدى بالتشيك بوينت 8 او 7 او سوري 8 او 6. فاكرين الارقام اللي كانت بتتاخد 6 out of 6 في كامبريدج؟ مفيش حد؟ Okay. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. So this is related to the numerical value, this code. يعني في الاخر الاثنين دول معتمدين على طريقه التصحيح. ما تشغلش بالك انت. اوكي؟ طيب. انا هشغل بالي بايه بقى؟ انا هشغل بالي بالتوبكس. يلا بينا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ان شاء الله in this syllabus we will study the following. ان شاء الله. طبعا هي دي مقوله لسير ألبرت اينشتاين. He said that everything you should be made as simple as possible but not simpler. Okay. So we have got here 5 main chapters. دولت اللي هندرسهم according to الير باذن الله تعالى. اولا لازم الناس كلها يعني تبقى عارفه ان كل حاجه في اولها بتبقى شويه مش سهله، مش هقول صعب بس شويه مش سهله، لكن اتفقنا ان by a sum of practice then هتقدر ان انت ايدك تمشي وتقدر ان انت تحل. واهم حاجه هي السكيلز of solving، ودي ان شاء الله باذن الله تعالى هنتعلمها how to solve and how to read the mark scheme. ودي بحب الستودنت بتاعتي يكونوا عارفين ازاي يقروا المارك سكيم. المارك سكيم فور ذا نيو ستودنتس هو نموذج الاجابه. نموذج الاجابه ده هو عباره عن الهيدلاينز اللي انا بقدر امشي عليها والبوردرز بتاعتي اللي تقول لي الاكسبتد انسرز من النون اكسبتد انسرز. اوكي، ودي هنتعلمها ان شاء الله يعني along the year واحنا ماشيين مع بعض. By returning back to the general physics or by the general topics for physics syllabus, we have unit 1, it's a general physics, and in some books wrote it like a mechanics. Okay, they are the same يعني. And then there is thermal physics, waves, electricity and magnetism, and the last chapter is atomic physics. طبعا we will not take all of these in orders, no. We will start by general physics, and then we will talk about waves, and then we will talk about the electricity and magnetism, and then we will talk about the thermal physics, and the last topic would be the atomics. وطبعا في سؤال اكيد هتساله، طيب ليه يا مس هنعمل كده؟ يعني ليه مش هتمشي بالترتيب؟ ردا للسؤال ده حاجه بسيطه قوي. اولا اليونت دي اللي هي الجنرال فيزيكس، واليونت دي اللي هي electricity and magnetism. Especially I will talk about unit 1 and unit 4. unit 1 و unit 4 الاثنين دولت يعتبروا من اكبر اليونتس اللي موجوده. بحتاج ان انا اخلصهم as soon as possible عشان اعمل covering عليهم واحل عليهم كتير جدا 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 جدا. اتفقنا؟ حد كده مش فاهم انا بقول ايه؟
No,
وعلشان
Miss.
هم
Everything
No,
is
يعتبروا
fine.
teacher.
اوكي بيرفكت، وعشان هم برضو الجنرال فيزيكس والالكتريستي اند ماجنتيزم يعتبروا مش بس هم اكبر تشابترز، لا هم كمان يعتبروا if I will compare by the difficulties يعتبروا من اصعبهم. واحنا اتفقنا في الاول مفيش حاجه اسمها حاجه صعبه، كل حاجه هنحلها ونتعلمها هتبقى سهله. اوكي طيب يلا بينا بقى نبتدي بالجنرال فيزيكس. في الاول خالص بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. General physics. Can anyone predict what is this topic will be؟ يعني إن شاء الله what is the topics that we will gonna to start to know it inside this chapter? Who will need to try?
The basics of physics.
Measurements.
What? I can't hear you. Can you please raise your hand? Hello? We have got Kunuz. We have got anyone need to try?
Yes, teacher. I need to try.
Yes, Kunuz. Go ahead.
Measurements and units and the errors that we can face.
Okay, okay. So here we will talk about the measurements. Perfect. How about you, Kinsey? I saw you raise your hand.
Physics.
Yes?
The basics of physics.
The basis of physics. Okay. Okay. لوجين.
Density.
ايوه كده ادوني topics sharp. Dynasty. Okay. ها who need to try؟ ملك. You may try.
Miss, can I try again?
Okay.
The length and the time.
Okay. Length.
And what
Miss-
about me, teacher?
And
Miss Nourhan, can you hear me?
Miss,
I can hear
forcing.
you, Malak. Excuse me, Kunuz. Excuse me.
The length and the time.
Yes, Malak. Length and time. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Excellent. So by returning back, yes, we will study length and volume and time. We will talk about speed and velocity and acceleration. We will talk about mass and weight, density, forces, energy, work and power, pressure, and plus there in forces we will talk about moment. Okay? Today, inshallah, we will talk about the first thing, that is the measurements. What is meant by the word measurements? Who can say? Raise your hand. We need to organize the session. Please, if you know, raise your hand. Huh? I can help you if you need. يلا بينا. لوجين. Yes, Lujain.
Miss, I think measuring is like measuring methods in different ways, like errors
Bravo.
or
Bravo. Bravo.
ruler.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes, Kunuz?
Expressing the quantities of something in units.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So measurements here, I need to know that the measurement is something called physical quantities. ايه هي الفيزيكال quantities دي اصلا؟ الفيزيكال quantities دي عبارة عن أي حاجة I need to measure in physics or I need to get its value like length, mass, volume, who can say weight, like current in ampere. All of these called physical quantities. Okay? Any physical quantity needs two things. needs its suitable measuring tool, and it has its own measuring unit. Understood? Okay, let we try by using the first thing here. You will talk about the length. Who can tell me what is the measuring unit? Sorry, the measuring tool and its measuring unit. يلا بينا. Let we see. Another thing غير يعني ناس تانيين يا ريت. مروان. You may try, sweetheart. Marwan?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please tell me what is the measuring tool of length?
Um,
Yes.
Measuring
Is that
tape.
hard? Excellent. Excellent. It's measuring tape and that's it? No. تعالى رحت فين؟ تعالى لي.
Ruler
تعالى.
could be.
Yes, it's measuring tape. Could be. يا سلام انت عندك شك؟ could be. يعني زمان وانت صغنن كده في كلاس 1A اما كانت بتجيلك مس الماث وتقول لك you have got a line segment. This one A and B. Can you please tell me what is the length of A and B? كنت بتعمل ايه؟ كنت بتجيب الجومة ولا كنت بتجيب الرولر؟
We add them. We get the
بتقاد؟
length of A
Yes, and then by using
and the length of B and we add them.
وياد مين؟ بتجيب الرولر يا ابني تحطها هنا الزيرو مارك هنا وتشوف ده يطلع طوله كام. So it will be 10 وبعدين هنشوف measuring unit. So I have got here measuring tape and ruler. طب مروان again. خلاص بقى انا عجبتني معلش تعالى لي ثواني. مروان again. Can you please tell me and differentiate between measuring tape and ruler؟ ليه اضطروا ان هم يعملوا measuring tape غير الرولر؟
Because in a measuring tape it's longer than
Yes.
in a ruler.
Perfect. So the measuring scale of measuring tape is much greater than the measuring scale of ruler. يعني لو كبرت قوي الرولر دي بسميها متر رول اللي هو بيبقى اللي هي زي الموجوده عند الراجل بتاع القماش ده. اللي هي بتاعت المتر دي لو كبرت قوي يعني. لكن الميجرنج تيب طبعا السكيل بتاعه كبير، انا اقدر اقيس مسافات طويله زي الدست سوري زي الروم اللينسز اوف ذا روم. اقدر اجيب لو عندي اوضه وعايزه افرشها هستخدم المسطره ان شاء الله نخلصها بكره الصبح بقى ان شاء الله. بكره الصبح نستخدم المسطره ال 10 سم الصغيره دي. معلش فين مروان اصله مستخبي في الاوضه جوه بياخد اللينسز بالرولر. Thank you يا مروان. Thank you so much. Okay, we have got here Jad. Jad?
Yes, miss.
Yes, your turn to tell me the measuring unit of the length. Huh? The measuring
Meter.
unit. Okay, we have got here meter and
Meter, miss, and measurement of a unit. It can be meter, centimeter. I mean.
yes, I wrote it. Yes, and also centimeter. Yes. So
I
all
don't
of
know
us.
why I wrote me. I don't know why I said meter, centimeter.
It's
That's
okay.
weird.
No. It's okay. It's okay. It's for repetition. That's it. Okay. Type. So all of us agree that we have got for every physical quantity ليهم measuring tool and measuring unit, and I need to make sure which one of these tools it will be suitable to get the fixed length. Okay, as Marwan said, طبعا انا عندي measuring tape وعندي ruler. How can I differentiate between both of them according to scale اللي هو يقدر يقيس لحد قد ايه. Okay. If I have got here, I will talk about the SI unit. The SI unit, it is International System of Unit. ده عبارة عن زي كده مؤتمر كبير هم طلعوا ان هم يقولوا الساينتستس يعني قالوا في حاجه اسمها الاس اي سيستم اللي هو الانترناشونال سيستم اوف يونت. ده احنا هنتفق ان في كل بلاد العالم كل الفيزيكال كوانتيتيز هيبقى ليهم يونت ثابته. لو انا قلتها في اي بلد يتعرف منها اليونت دي ايه. يعني مثلا for example I will write there. لقيت على سكرين، في سكرين مكتوبه قدامك ولقيت مكتوب عليها كده can you tell me what is this refers to؟ ملك. ملك.
Yes, Miss Nurhan.
Yes sweetie, can you tell me what did this mean to you؟ معناها ايه بالنسبه لك المكتوب ده؟ Hmm?
10 kilogram is a kilogram is a unit for the mass.
Perfect. From where did you know that? From this, right? Without this,
Yes.
if I will remove this, يعني if I will remove this أهو, can you tell me what this value related to? Can you do that? Of course
I
no.
can't relate it without the unit.
Yes, you can't tell me if that mass or if that length or if that time. مش ممكن تبقى ده 10 seconds. So it's very important to write
Yes.
the measuring unit. ودي غلطة بيقع فيها معظم الطلبة، ان يجي ينبهر قوي بحل الكويستشن ويحل ويجي في الاخر خالص في الفاينل انسر يكتب النمبر وينسى الميجرنج يونت، فيفوجئ ان هو he lost a mark، فقد درجة. Okay, so please remember to write the measuring unit. Okay, is that clear? Okay.
Yes, Miss Nurhan.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I will move it right now to till I will make this picture. Okay, I have got here اهو مروان الرولر حبيبتك اهي. مروان
Yes, miss.
الرولر حبيبتك اهي يا مروان. بس بقى ركز معايا.
Yes, miss.
How can I take the reading؟ ركز بقى معايا، انا كل ده شغاله على اللينثز. الناس فاهمه كده؟ اوكي. هشتغل ازاي؟ First I need to make something called zero check. يعني ايه؟ يعني اتاكد ان السبجكت اللي عندي ده او الاوبجكت اللي عندي ده بادئ من مين؟ من مين؟ من الزيرو.
Zero.
Yes, this is called zero mark. This is called zero mark. So I need to make sure that the length or the object is starting from zero mark, and then I will find the end line for the object. Can you see this? I will make zooming in. You can see it clearly. Can see it clearly right now. All of you see it clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can anyone tell me the length of this pen? A pencil. This is a pencil أصلا. Okay. Can anyone tell me the length? You may write it in chatting box. Write it in the chatting box to see it. يلا بينا. All of you need to try. يلا. I'm waiting. مروان بس اللي بعد. كنزي. كنوز. ها. Perfect. لسه في حد هربان مني ما بعتش. Praises رأفت. Can you hear me? Praises رأفت. Okay. All of you are perfect. بس أنا زعلانة من كام حد بقى؟ زعلانة من لوجين، من لوجي، وزعلانه من ملوكه، وزعلانه من كنزي. اوكي، مروان كنت زعلانه منه في الاول يعني، بس هو فاين، حب يعني، لا صلح اللي هو عمله. اوكي it's about 5.3. that's it or I need to do something.
So I typed you in the chat 4.3.
What?
Miss, I typed in the chat for 5.3.
I know but you forgot to write
Miss
something.
5.3 centimeters.
Yes, thank you يا كنزي. can you hear يا لوجين؟ where is your mistake? thank you يا ملك.
The
لوجين.
unit. The unit.
Yes, I said don't ever forget to write the unit. It's centimeter. خلي بالك, if you will forget to write this unit, you will lose a mark. Okay? Is that okay for
Okay.
all of you?
Yes.
طيب perfect. حلوة قوي 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 الكلام ده. خلونا بقى نشوف كده حاجة تانية. طيب تعالوا كده نصعب الليفل شوية صغننين. جاهزين؟
Yes, teacher.
اوكي. طبعا مش محتاجة اقول لكم ان انا قد ايه عظيمة في الرسم. كده انتوا حاسين يعني. اوكي اوكي. and so on 2 3 4 and so on. ما علينا يعني، ما علينا. I will find something. ونركز بقى مع بعض قوي في اللي انا هقوله. دي سكيلز، السكيلز دي بتيجي يا شباب في بيبر 3 واحيانا بتيجي في بيبر 1. انا هنا عندي اوبجكت، الاوبجكت ده هنا. and I will ask all of you to tell me what is the length of this object. يلا بينا. I will be waiting. كنوز perfect يا كنوز، برافو عليكي ما شاء الله. I'm still waiting. اوكي لوجين برافو. بس بعد كده يا لوجين لو سمحتي يبقى ما تعمليش to everyone. send it privately يا لوجين. ملك you too send it
Okay.
privately. thank you يا ملك. اوكي احنا لسه كمان لما نفتح الانوتيشن عشان اخليك تكتب بايدك دي، بس دي ستيب باي ستيب يعني، واحده 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 واحده. برافو يا ملوك. مروان بريسس برافو. مروان المسطره اللي بتحبها اهي. وير ار يو يا مروان؟
I wrote the answer miss.
بجد والله؟
والله.
there's nothing there. sorry يا مروان. I'm sorry. معلش. sorry يا مروان. I'm sorry. So all of you agree that if I will call this object A, all of us agree that length of A it's about 2 centimeters. أنا عملت إيه يا شباب؟ بص بقى I need to know this skills عشان خاطر يبقى بالراحة واحدة واحدة. أنا بعمل إيه؟ باجي هنا، مش دي أول الأوبجكت صح كده؟ دي الفيرست بوينت اوف ذا اوبجكت، واسال نفسي
Yes.
سؤال. if that number is zero, no it's not zero. الرقم ده معدي زيرو. طيب يبقى هكون النمبر ده L1. okay and I will see the end of the ruler or the end of the object. what is this? is that zero? no, I will call it L2. and then how can to get the length of this object? I will subtract L2 from L1. It's a simple example بس ده اسمه concept بمشي عليه. بعد كده بعمل ايه؟ if I saw an object, this object not starting from the zero mark, دي zero mark اهي. no this object is starting from another number, so I will start to call this number L1, and I will start to call this number L2, and to find the object's length, I will subtract L2 minus L1 to find its good length, or its perfect length. Understood? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, teacher, great.
Okay, perfect, perfect, more than perfect. So I will give you right now, before I will complete. تعالى يلا بينا. This question is for you guys. يلا, go ahead. Send it in the chatting box, as I will choose someone to annotate to describe this question. I will choose someone randomly. Okay. مروان انت بعت لي اجابتين يا مروان، هعضك. You sent.
هي تاني واحده يا مس.
ماشي، ايوه كده، عدل نفسك عشان ما نتعاركش. Thank you. Okay.
Miss, I sent you my answer.
Yes, I see sweetie. جاهزين عشان انا هبيك someone، بس لما الكل يبعت. ملوكة, where are you? I can't see your answer.
One.
Okay, sweetie. Okay. شباب، اصلا بعد كده في العادة هتبقى حصتي 3 ساعات. اوكي، عشان بس الناس ما تتخضش، عشان بعد كده الفري سيشن بتبقى هي مدتها مش كبيرة، يعني مثلا هنقعد ساعة ونص مثلا، دي الفري سيشن. لكن بعد كده في النورمال انا بقعد 3 ساعات، عشان بقعد اشرح وبحل، فلازم تبقى حضرتك قاعد كده طاقتك معايا كبيرة ما شاء الله. اوكي، بيرفكت يا كنوز، برافو بريسز، برافو. نو لوجين، نو. repeat it one more time يا لوجين. No sweetie, it's not hard at all. طيب ملوكة, I'm still waiting. No يا ملك. No. طيب خليني اختار حد.
Miss,
Yes. Who is that?
how many minutes left?
For this session. انت زهقتي مننا خلاص ولا ايه؟
Miss, how many minutes left again?
For this session,
Yes.
I'm not counting the minutes, honey. I'm not counting them. When I will end, I will tell you. Okay?
يعني you don't know how many approximately?
يعني probably ممكن مثلا around 45 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All of you finish it up? All of you ending? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Kinsey? Kinsey,
Yes, miss.
you are the one. خلاص اختارتك ناسا ان انت تحلي السؤال ده خلاص. يلا بينا. Can you please close your camera يا جاك? Yes, sweetie.
Miss Nourhan,
Yes,
I
ملك.
corrected my answer. I didn't see that there are
Yes, bravo. I see it. Perfect يا ملك. برافو عليك.
Sorry, I didn't see that there's
No, it's okay honey.
choices.
It's okay حبايبي. You don't have to say I'm sorry for that. It's okay, لان انت اصلا دورك ان انت تتعلم وتغلط وتصحح غلطك، وتعرف الغلط ده غلط ليه وايه الصح بتاعه، عشان ما اقعش فيه مره تانية. ف you don't have to be sorry حبيبي. اوكي يلا بينا. كنزي, are you ready?
Yes, miss.
يلا بينا. Go ahead Please read the question. I will open the annotation for you, okay, to tell us how you get your answer, okay.
Okay, miss.
يلا بينا يا لوجين. يلا بينا يا كنزي، يا كنزي
Me?
يلا بينا.
What?
Yeah, just listen لوجين.
The
Yes.
diagram shows an enlarged diagram of drawing of the end of
Okay.
a meter ruler. It is being used to measure the length of a small feather. What is the length
Okay.
of the feather?
Yes. What shall I do?
So first we're gonna see where it starts, and it starts at 1 centimeters.
You may draw in the figure. I need to see your work out. Show me
Miss,
your
how?
working out by using the pen. Use the pen. You are being able to use the pen. You can see a sign of annotating
Here,
pen in
miss?
your. You can. Yes, I can. I need to see this. Yes, excellent. So,
Yeah.
أيوة, you will start from this. I will help you. It's okay. Yes, you will start from this. Perfect. Yes,
And
يا جاد.
ends here.
And it's ending.
Miss, is it right?
Bravo. Yes. It
And
ending
then
there.
you're gonna have to subtract
I will call it
the
L1
ending
and you
one.
call it L2.
Yes. So
Okay.
you're gonna
So
subtract L2 from L1.
tell me first the reading of L1 and the reading of L2 to make it clear for your friends.
The reading of L1 is 1 centimeter,
Okay.
and for L2 it's 2.9.
Okay. But let me telling you something.
Miss,
Yes, sweetie? Is
is
that you,
my
Lujine?
answer is correct? It's Jad.
It's what?
Is my answer is correct?
Is that you, Lujine, or Jad?
Jad.
Okay, let we see right now. We right now answering يا جاد. الأهم من إن أنت تعرف الأنسر بتاعتك صح ولا غلط، إن أنت تعرف إزاي تحلها صح ولا لأ. ده الأهم. فركز معايا شوية، okay? Jad, can you hear me? Jad,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Complete please يا Kenzie.
So we're gonna subtract them from each other, which is going to be 1.9 centimeters, and it's also equivalent to 19 millimeters.
Yes. خلي بالك بقى من هنا. هنا أنا عندي different units. الناس اللي كانت بتتكلم هنا اهو. I need to convert this. If I need to convert this to millimeter, it will be 10. If I need to convert this into millimeter, it will be 29 millimeter. So if I need to know the fixed length, what shall I do? I will subtract both of them from each other. I will find it is 19 millimeter. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes, miss, it's clear for me.
Lujain. Lujain,
Yes, miss.
is that clear right now, sweetie?
Yes.
You understand how can I solve this? It's very important. You understand how can I solve this?
Yes.
Perfect. If there is any questions, Malak.
No, Miss Nurhan. I
Marwan?
understand.
No, miss.
Okay. If you have got any pieces, if you have got any question. Okay. Perfect. Can you please remove the annotation, sweetie?
How, miss?
I will remove it. It's okay. أهو. يلا بينا. Malak, it will be your turn. Lujain, be
Okay, Miss
there as
Nurhan.
your turn will go. You will go in your turn. يلا Maluka, read the question. No, I need from you to read the question. برافو مروان. أحسنت. Kunuz, repeat your answer. Bravo, Pieces. Kunuz, repeat your answer. يلا ملوكة. May you read, please. Bravo, Kenzie.
A ruler is used.
برافو يا جاد. برافو كنوز. برافو. يلا يا ملوكة. برافو يا ملك. يلا قولي لنا ازاي جبتيها. برافو يا جاد.
Um,
معلش انا اسفه ان هي بلو ريد يا كنوز.
he said that to measure the length of the object, so
Yes.
length 1 would be 6.5.
You will call it length 1 here from there. Okay. It will be length 1.
Yeah.
6.5.
And the other one is 2.5.
Okay.
So we'll subtract them. 6.5 minus 2.5, it will be 4 centimeters.
Perfect. برافو عليكي. برافو. برافو. يلا بينا نكمل اللي احنا عايزين نقوله. برافو يا جد والله صح. Okay. يلا بينا. So all of us know right now how to get the measure of object, the length.
Yes.
اشوف حد يغلط فيها بقى. لا اشوف هعضه. اشوف حد يغلط فيها. اوكي؟ طيب. يلا بينا. I will have got a question there and I need from you to think before you start to answer. خلاص؟ How
Okay, teacher.
can I get the thickness of a sheet of paper?
Miss, do write it
We'll
in the
type the
chat
answer in
or
the
just
chat.
say?
Hold on. I can't hear you. Hold on. Yes, Kinsey.
Do we write the answer in the chat or do we just say it?
No, I will give you a chance to think and then I will hear each one of you. لأن ده مهم جدا إن أنا أسمع أنت بتفكر علميا إزاي. ده مهم قوي. To build your skills in physics, it's very important to know how do you think about physics. Understand يا كنزي؟ يا كنزي صح؟ Okay?
Yes.
Perfect. يلا I will give you only 1 minute. يعني it's 06:54. By 55 I will start to choose. Okay? Open your mind. Okay. Marwan?
Yes.
Can you tell me how can I get it from your own opinion? You may try. It's okay. Just open
By
your mind
dividing
and think.
all of the measurements.
If I am an examiner and you wrote this answer in your sheet of paper, you will take 0 وبجدارة. هتاخد 0 بجدارة. ليه؟ لأن أنت بتقولي معلومة generally. I need a specific answer. You need to tell me I will make that and then that and then that. واضح يا مروان؟ You will. بس خليني أسمعه الأول. يلا بينا. Marwan, are you from Alexandria?
Yes.
Where are you from, ya Marwan?
Cairo.
Right now, yeah. Cairo. Oh, okay. Yalla. Let you try, please. Just open your mind and try. طيب, who need to try? I will give you, Marwan, another minute.
Can I give it a try?
Okay. حاضر. Lujain, I will hear you, Lujain, and then Kunuz.
Okay, Miss. I think there is
Okay.
like 2 ways To divide the total measurement of paper, you need, for example, like 2 inches, 100 pages, 0.0 inches sheet. In case you have it, you need to do the same for the example.
For example, like what?
Um, for example, 0.5 inches
So
and 100 sheet.
can you please repeat it for one
We
last
divide
time?
total we divide the total measurement of the paper by the number of sheets. For example, 2 inches divided by 100 pages, which equals
Okay.
0.01 inches sheets.
Okay. No, يا مروان. No. Okay.
Miss, I have a different way.
Teacher,
اوكي I will see والله هسمعكم كلكم. انا مش هقفل الميتنج ده غير لما اسمع كل واحد، ما تقلقوش والله. اوكي يلا بينا يا كنوز، عشان انا سالت كنوز الاول، بعدين هجي لك يا كنزي. يلا كنوز.
okay, teacher. Teacher, I'm having two options. The first option is to get a large amount of papers, like for example 500 papers, and measure them and then divide the measurements on them. And the second option is using vernier caliper or micrometer screw gauge.
اوكي كنزي.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, you may try.
So we're gonna have to use a micrometer to find it out.
Okay, that's it.
Miss, do you want me to explain how we're supposed to use it?
No, I will explain it. I mean, that's it. Yani, this is the only way you have got.
No, we can also use the vernier clippers.
Okay. Malak, what do you think?
We can get more than one paper, like 100 or 200 papers, and then get more than one measures and divide them by their
Okay.
number. And we
Okay.
can measure that by micrometer.
Okay. Jad, what do you think, Jad?
Yes, miss. What do you want?
What they want? I want from you to try to answer. This is what I'm trying to want.
Miss, I can't see your screen. It's frozen.
It's not frozen, honey. Shabab, can you see me in what I'm doing right now? I'm drawing an arrow right now, right?
Yes,
I
Miss.
don't see
Yes.
that.
Okay, you may check your network connection. You
My
need to check.
network connection is high.
Okay, طيب يعني ما اعرفش what is the problem with you, but all of your
Miss, you
friends.
can, Miss,
I
you
can see
can,
the annotation right now. You annotate right now.
Miss, you can, يعني, you know, remove the share screen, then share it again.
I will pause the sharing screen, and I'm sharing right now, and all of your friends, so that, right, sweetie? Can you see all of you this box?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, perfect. طيب, so you need to check your network connection. All of your friends right now can see my screen clearly.
Yeah, Miss, now I can see it.
You can see it. Okay, تمام, perfect. خلاص ممكن تكون كان بس النتورك مهنج. It's okay. يلا بينا. I have got two kinds of students. Students using tools with students using experimental steps. كلامكم حلو قوي وجميل جدا وكلكم زي الفل، بس خلي بالك لو هو جابها لك general talk بالمنظر ده وgeneral question بالمنظر ده you may use this one or this one براحتك. لكن كنزي and كنوز كتير من الكويستشنز دي في paper 3 بيجي يقول لك كده without using micrometer. شكرا. فمعنى كده الاوبشن ده اتلغى. You understood? تاني تاني.
Teacher,
كتير. Yes, yes, sweetie. My name is
teacher,
Miss Nourhan
but
Habib.
okay, miss, but I already told you that we can just
يس
increase
انا
the
عارفه
number
انا
of
عارفه انا عارفه. احنا دلوقتي بنعمل ايه؟ احنا دلوقتي بنحط السكيلز صح كده؟ دلوقتي احنا بنعمل زي امبروفمنت للانسرز بتاعتنا. افرضي قال لي كده، ما انا قلت لك it will be okay if لو هو مش قايل المكتوب بالبيربل ده. لو هو قايل المكتوب بالبلو بس، كاتب الكويستشن كده بس، تبقى اجابتك واجابه كنزي كوريكت. اوكي؟ طيب لو هو قايل لي بليز، حاطط لي كونديشن without using micrometer، هل ده هيبقى acceptable؟ No. خلاص وقال لك مش هينفع. So I need to think in that way. معايا مروان؟
Yes, miss.
How can بقى I will do it practically as you all of you said and you all of you perfect. مروان ركز مع زمايلك في الجزئية دي. بسأل نفسي سؤال. This is a sheet of paper. The sheet of paper is very 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 thin. صح ولا لأ؟ Can I use the paper to measure its thickness? No. So I will start to ask myself, what shall I do to bring the thickness of only one sheet? So I will bring a group of sheets, right? I will bring a group of sheets, like around زي ما انتوا قلتوا around 200 sheets of paper. These are the 200 sheets of paper.
Miss, when is the session gonna finish?
انتوا زهقتوا مني قوي كده؟ I will finish it soon حبيبي. And then I bring the ruler to measure all of these. Thickness, I will call it X. Okay? And then I will start to write as it was 200 sheet, it gives me X. How about if it will be only one sheet? What is the thickness? And I will start to make a crisscross. So the thickness of only one sheet will equal to, I will write here the thickness of sheets over number of sheets. Is that clear for all of you? Is that clear?
Yes, miss.
yes, teacher.
Okay, okay. I have got another question and it's a very important one. I have got two students. Okay, here's student A, خلي بالك, and here's student B. والاثنين start to do the rest, the previous experiment. هيعملوا ال previous experiment دي اللي فاتت. خلاص؟ But student A will make use of 200 sheet of paper. هو قال انا هعيدها بنفس العدد. لكن B هيعيدها بس المرة دي هيستخدم 800 sheets. Question اهو. Which one will have got the least error? Okay. لوجين. برافو كنت. You may send it on the WhatsApp, on the chatting, sorry, WhatsApp in. برافو يا مروان. Perfect. By the way, I will send the WhatsApp group link in the chatting box بس by the end of the session يعني. ها. برافو يا كنزي. I'm still waiting. Okay. Finish. Jad, where is your answer?
Miss, I'm still calculating.
Calculating what, honey? It's
The
without
sheets.
calculation. No, it's without calculation.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. كان في عدد من الستودنتس قالوا A وفي عدد قالوا B. Okay. Which one of these students are correct? First, I need to have a quick look. سريعة كده واشوف هو النمبر لو الشيتس ده زاد هيحصل ايه. طبعا الستودنتس اللي قالوا B هو الصح. لازم تبقى عارف ان as the number of the measuring objects أو measuring things increases, in this case you will reduce the error. You know what's meant by the word reduce? Reduce means decrease.
Yes.
Okay?
Like
How? ازاي بقى؟
minus.
ببساطة جدا. لا ازاي نثبتها بقى؟ احنا اتفقنا لازم اي حاجة تيجي علينا نقتنع بيها، صح ولا لا؟ انا بس عايزة اسأل من وجهة نظر الستودنتس اللي قالوا ايه، ليه قالوا ايه؟ يعني ملك، لوجين، وجاد، ليه قالوا ايه؟ وبريسز، ليه قالوا ليه؟ ليه قالوا ايه؟ ها، من وجهة نظركم ملك ليه قلتي ايه؟
I thought that as we decrease the number of sheets, we will decrease the error.
طيب let me tell you something. لو انت عندك اكزام، لو انتوا عندكم اكزام وفي اكزام بيتصحح out of 100 وفي اكزام بيتصحح out of 10، لو انت جبتي هنا 8 out of 10 زي ما هتيجي تجيبي هنا 98 out of 100، which one البرسنتج بتاعته هتكون كبير؟ يعني which one of these هيأثر معاكي جامد؟ انت هنا ناقصه درجتين
98
من
out of
100
100.
درجه، يعني انت ناقص هنا درجتين من 100 درجه، لكن هنا ناقص درجتين من 10 درجات، هيأثر معاك مع انهم يعني نفس الكونسيبت تقريبا. لكن اللي انا عايزه اوصله لك، اللي انا عايزه اوصله ان انت if you will increase the number of trial او النمبر اوف الاوبجكت اللي انت بتقيسه، لو انت حصل ايرور، ايوه طبعا برافو يا كنوز، 98 over 100 it's more accurate. لو حصل ايرور ونسيت ورقتين مثلا مش هيأثر قوي. لو العدد الورق اللي عندك 10 مثلا، 10 ورقات ونسيت ورقتين من ال10 دول هيأثر في الريدنج. لكن تعالى كده انسى انك تاخد الثيكنس بتاع ورقتين من اصل 100 ورقه، هيأثر كتير؟
لا.
لا مش هيأثر كتير. مقتنعين كده؟
Yes.
Amos.
نعم
Amos.
مقتنعين. يعني لو
Yes.
انا بجيب الثيكنس بتاع 10 ورقات ونسيت ورقتين، وبجيب الثيكنس بتاع 100 ورقه ونسيت ورقتين، مين هتبقى اجابتي اكيوريت اكتر؟ مش هيأثر فيها التو بيبرز لوست
98
دول؟
over 100
98
is more
طبعا
accurate.
طبعا، لكن هنا هيأثر فيها لان العدد قليل. understood؟ برافو يا مروان، وصلت؟ بريسز وجاد ولوجين وملك مقتنعين؟
Yes. Yes, Miss.
You understand the concept right now?
Yes.
Yes.
If I will
Yes.
increase the number of the measuring things, I will reduce the readings, the error. Understood? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
let me telling to show you something. I need to show you something there. This is how I get the thickness of this one. بيحصل هنا في مشكلة كبيرة. المشكلة اللي عندي بتيجي how to read the scale. أي scale عندك، أي scale بمعنى
Miss, can I
ruler.
add some?
Yes we تقولي حاجة؟
Miss, I think how to read the scale is we need to look horizontally to the measurement.
بس مش بقول عليها horizontal، بقول عليها perpendicular. يعني ثاني بقى هتكلم عن ruler، cylinder، أي scale عندك any other scale، أي حاجة فيها numbers كده، خلاص؟ وهكذا. أي scale هقراه إزاي؟ ركز بقى معايا. لو ده السكيل بتاعي، يعني دي الرولر بتاعتي، خلاص ادي 0 1 2 3 4 5 مثلا. اوكي I need to look perpendicular. يعني ايه؟ يعني عيوني هتبقى perpendicular على السكيل. يعني لو انا عندي الاوبجكت واقف لحد هنا، عندي اوبجكت اهو، زي مثلا اوبجكت اهو واقف لحد هنا، my eye must be perpendicular to the scale to get the accurate reading, not like this. No. ده كده هيديني reading تانية. شايفين اللاين اوف سايت عاطيني reading تانية، دي غلط. او كده، او ابص بالانجل دي هيديني reading تانية، غلط. So اللاين اوف سايت must be perpendicular to the scale. Cambridge sometimes asking you to explain ليه لازم ابص perpendicular، ليه ده صح. لازم تكتب له الستيتمنت دي to avoid
Is it to avoid
parallax
error?
error. برافو، parallax error. لازم اكتب الستيتمنت دي عليها 1 مارك. تاني، if I need to read a scale I need to look perpendicular to the scale. ليه؟ to avoid parallax error. Is that clear for all of you? Here I have got two persons. This person A, is that true? Did A give you an accurate reading? No. A will give you an inaccurate reading. You can see the angle right now. But there, as the person corrected his line of sight, you can see it, it's perpendicular. Yes, he will give you the correct answer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Can you see that? This is for how can I settle the object. I need to put the 0 mark, okay? But I need to make sure that there is no gap. Here, yes, may cause an incorrect reading. I need to put the tool corrected, not like this, making an angle. No, this is wrong. The perfect way to get the accurate reading is to put the 0 mark at the first point on the object and to let the object become closer to the ruler. مش بس closer, let the object touch the ruler عشان to be able to giving you the correct length. وطبعا ما انساش ان اللاين اوف سايت بتاعي يبقى ايه؟ perpendicular. If there is anything else شباب, do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
miss.
If
Yes,
there is
I
anything,
understood.
Yes, miss, I understand.
okay, الحمد لله الحمد لله. Perfect. Alhamdulillah. This in this file PDF, I will send it to you inshallah on the Google Classroom, that you can study from it, as your notes, your material will be on the Google Classroom after you will book the course. And then here we go for the last slide. Okay, all of us know right now the SI system. It's an international
Miss,
system of unit. Yes, sweetie.
why I'm hearing from your mic there is a beeping car's noise.
I can't hear you, sweetie. I can't hear you.
Miss,
Can you?
why I can hear you a beep noise from a car in your
Uh,
mic.
simply as my room containing a very big window. So maybe it's a little bit noise. Is that a little bit noise? I'm sorry for that. I'm
Like
sorry.
it was like all the lesson, like not like only 5 minutes. It was all the lesson.
Okay. Okay, hey, you are not from Egypt, right? This question is related that you are not from Egypt, right?
I'm from Syria, but I'm living in the UAE.
Okay. So yes, طبعا طبيعي جدا that let you ask me about that. Yes, we have a very very traffic jam in Egypt. So it's normal
Oh,
for the whole
okay.
Egyptian student right now. هم شايفين انه عادي بس انت you look that it's not, it's abnormal, as you can't hear this in your country. you, you are right.
It's like super confused. I was like,
I'm sorry.
so
I'm
I'm
sorry.
confusion.
No, I'm sorry. Maybe later on, I will close that window. I'm sorry for that. But
It's
thank you
okay, no
so much.
problems.
Thank you so much, Aslan, for your feedback. It's very important. Thank you.
No
What's your name?
problems.
What's your name, sweetie?
Jad.
Okay, okay. Let we complete. So we, by turning back here in the SI system of unit, it's an international system of unit. The whole scientists agree that we will make use for some physical quantities a major measuring unit for the whole physical quantities. Okay, like we will make use of the length in meters, maybe time. We will take about this. We'll talk about this later on, inshallah, in the next sessions, in seconds, and mass in kilograms. All of these related to the SI system of unit. Okay, so here there's a very important point. How can I get a more accurate value for measurements? By repeating measuring process several times and calculate the average value of reading. It's very important. If I need to make sure that everything is okay in my experiment, I need to repeat the experiment more than one time, and then I will take the whole readings and give and take the average. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay,
Okay, miss.
okay. And that's it for our first free session. That's it. Um, First of all, I need to hear your questions. Do you have got any questions?
No, miss. Thank you so much.
No, wait. Just wait.
Teacher,
Yes, thank you. Everything is
bye.
clear.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, sweetie.
teacher. If we haven't put the
Can you
object
please
on the
can you please raise your voice? I can't hear you.
teacher, if we put the object near teacher, if we
Yes.
put the teacher, if we didn't put the object on the 0 point and we have measured the thing like where we haven't started, we started from the zero, although we haven't put it on the 0 point. So what is this error called?
You mean you put the object there?
Teacher, if I haven't put the object accurately on the 0 point
It's
and I've
okay.
measured it starting
No, no,
from
no, no.
zero,
Fine,
so
fine.
what is this error?
Like as we did in the previous example there. زي ما كنا بنجيب L1 and L2, right?
Yes, if I just
It's okay. As
haven't put it on the
it's okay. It's okay for doing that. The type of error there will be much different. We will discuss it later on. بس عشان ما حدش يحصل له confusing. احنا we talk right now. The first type of errors is the parallax one, and all of you now understand this one, right? As we are
Yes,
going through the
miss.
subject, as we are going through that subject, we will know the whole types of error. This is for the first type, okay, to not make all of you confused, okay? But later on, we will have got too many scales, and then we will talk about the types of errors. But let me telling you something. If you did this experiment, like what you can see my screen right now, can you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
No, miss, I
So
can't see it.
you can't see it
No,
right now. You can see it, sweetie.
Yes,
no.
teacher, you can see it.
You can see this sign.
Oh, yes, miss, now I can
Yes,
see it.
teacher.
Okay, perfect. So you asked me about the type of error if the object is not starting from zero, Mark, right?
Yeah.
This is your question. We will talk about this later on to not make you confused. This is why I'm not telling you the whole type of error in the same time عشان بس ما حدش يتلخبط. انا يهمني ان انتوا تبقوا فاهمين كويس جدا المعلومه بتوصل في مكانها عشان ما يحصلش ان المعلومات كلها تخش على بعض. This is my main target. Is that true?
Okay, teacher.
Or if you need from me to do something else?
No, that's great.
Okay, so you understand my concept.
Yes, miss. Thank you.
Okay, perfect, sweetie. Okay, I send the WhatsApp link in the chatting box. Okay, and thank you for all of your time. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, Ajad, for what's happening. I'm sorry for that, but thank you so much for your feedback. I will take care of this
Miss, it's
later
okay,
on.
no problem. But it's kind of annoying. Like sometimes the beat blows. It was
Yes, I
super
know. I
high.
know. You are right. You are right, sweetie. You are right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all
No
of you.
problem.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, Miss. Have a wonderful, amazing day.
Same to
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. You too, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
For
Thank
me,
you.
it's actually
Bye.
nighttime.
Thank you. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.